later.
We're back. You looking through the box of crap?
No, I'm just dying.
Oh, you're dying? Oh, hang on. We got to get to position here.
Yeah, that hurts.
This is the broke dick position.
Oh, it's more than one.
Oh, yeah. He's broken. He's broken. Oh, this is too funny.
I found what I wanted.
You want a key.
Is that the right one?
No, you need a bigger key than
this
that.
one.
You want the bigger one.
I don't know which one. What do we need?
There's one that's already in there, dude, by the way. Oh, I'm not supposed to call him dude, because he ain't a dude.
There's a dude
He's
right
a
there.
Tatro.
I'm an asshole, what's the difference?
Yeah, there you go. He ain't a fun guy, man. He's a mean guy.
Right. Broke dick guy.
He's broken.
Yeah, the key in there good. Okay, I need another key.
You need a key?
I need a key.
Key to the success. He needs a key to success. Oh, we have so much fun. You know, I don't get paid to do this stuff. I get paid just to have.
You get paid to make fun of me?
I'm living a dream, man.
You get paid to make fun of me?
I got Gino saying, living a dream now.
Oh, great.
Living a dream. He came over to the house. And,
two of you here now.
oh, hang on. Let me see. You haven't seen my bike, have you?
No.
Oh, get ready for the Woody, man.
Is the camera going to film a camera now? Get out of my way. Broke dick. Move it. Get your butt out of the way.
Oh, hey, don't spill those chips out.
Chips all over the place.
Oh.
That was the lunch. Understand
Hold
the
on
way.
for a second.
Why do you keep getting in the way?
I'm not in the way.
People trying. What the hell are these valve covers? What are we going to do with these, Fred?
Put them back in the box.
Yeah, you want me to walk all the way over there?
No, that box right there, right behind you.
You're comedy, Keenan.
He's in his element.
Assholes. Ah. You just come by to pick on me.
Yeah, fuck a bar. We come here and
Living the dream, man. Look at that. Look at that.
oh shit!
That is
God damn!
sweet, man.
Piece
Look
of
at
crap.
What?
Here, let me fix
Yeah.
this nut.
What's that
There.
cam cover? A little bit of engraving there, brother.
Well, that's just it.
Oh,
Live,
Okay.
live hard, die free. All that bullshit.
hey man.
Yeah, Gina cleaned it all up for me, man. I was too lazy to do it. So this is really cool. Check this paint job. See, the paint job is like...
Did you clean that gear before you gave it to me? It looks dirty.
So what it is it's like there was a flag laid on the bike because it's a 1976, right? And then the paint is torn away. Oh, come on, I don't want to picture that knucklehead.
That's not a knuckle, that's a shovelhead.
No, I'm looking
No,
at
the
you.
camera's on you.
That'd be an asshole then.
It keeps going.
Alright, where's your spacer here, Fred?
That's a bike we built here,
We
man.
did thrust washer.
Nice man.
That is a freaking
Nice
sweet
American
ride.
flag.
Sweet ride.
Old glory.
76, man.
Old glory 76.
That's
old
the
glory.
name. It's called the Spirit of 76. All right, here we go. What are you finding now? What are you to lose?
Do your thrust washer.
Hey,
nice,
the fresh washer, this piece was with that other stuff. Where was that
I
at?
don't know where everything's at. You lost it.
Man.
Let's go give me a tray of the new ones. Let's get one on there. I got tired of screwing around waiting for you. You got work to do.
Come on, man. You losing parts?
Should have been at home and sleeping by now.
Okay, now I gotta find out which. Look at the shelves. Look at the shelves. I think we're talking about. What box are we talking about? I remember this before. Where were we? Keyways. Where's the damn thrush washer box? All right, hang on.
It got lost.
Okay, what are we doing here, Mr.
We lost all the parts we already figured out we needed, so
Yeah,
we're
I lost
starting
them.
all over again.
Fred lost them. I don't know, there's a washer in there now. Ah, you lost that one out.
I didn't. We had everything ready to go. I'm not happy.
We got Keenan has hemorrhoids over here.
Yeah, that's what it was. Oh, that's it.
Why is this? Why didn't you put that one in?
I don't. Quit picking on me.
Why didn't you put this one in? Look,
I'm tired.
and you tighten that up.
Leave me alone.
What do you put? You're
You
missing
don't, you don't
something.
need it. We don't need it.
Not to. What? Yes, we do. What are you doing, man? I even had it in there, and then you took it out. I know.
Leave
Here,
my damn thing alone.
here, let me have
Who
it.
took my damn sounding book and hid it from me? It goes on top of the motor.
Oh, excuse me.
Dumbasses. There. Trying to mix me up.
I gotta film this with my own camera.
Wait till I take a crap.
I think you already did.
Sound like you've been trying to take a crap all night.
Okay, Fred couldn't find the high flow fitting in the second drawer because it's in the fifth drawer.
Yeah, he says second, and it ain't in the second. It's in the fifth.
It's in the first drawer I opened up because I knew where it was.
All right. But it wasn't the right drawer you told me.
Well, at least I
That
didn't-
seems to be the theme today.
At least I didn't have to bend
Hang
over.
on, he can't let a phone go unanswered, so.
Yeah,
He won't give you the answer you want to know, but he's trying
I
to.
can't cover
Here.
together. What? Did I do something already? There. Cover's installed.
That's it. Let's just leave it at that, man.
Hello.
Let's call it evening.
I'm dying over here. What's up?
So I'm supposed to show you this here. Let's keep going. Watch.
Bryant works. On IB.
So this is the.
Maybe. The other one is finest.
So
City
you see the
Finest
hole
out
in there.
PB.
Come on, Mike. So you see that high flue, and then this one's got a lot higher.
Here,
flow.
Fred, while you're working here, screw it
What?
down.
I'll screw them down. in a
These
minute.
bolts
Where's
actually,
your knife?
these
Give me
bolts
your
are
knife.
actually good here too.
Give me your knife.
All right, you don't need a knife. You just need to put the motor together.
Come on.
There you go.
All right, we're back here then. I can't show you that.
Back to the cam cover.
No, hang on. Let's keep this. All right, so look at the difference between the flow on these two. It's huge. So, and this actually came with a high performance pump. Then we go over here. No, never mind. Anyhow, make sure you get high flow fittings because even a high flow pump that has fittings that don't flow ain't gonna work. There we go. Been an interesting evening. Good looking engine. So
It's looking nice though.
it's a 1979. We've talked about it before. 1979, 80 cubic inch shovel that kind of came to the determination it probably had less than 6,000 miles on it originally.
What kind of cam you putting in there?
Just something. This is going to be like a putter round, so just something a little overstock. Nothing big. Get a little loping out of it. We haven't high performance this thing at all. This is just everything's stock. Even these, they got a little bit of chrome, but on the other side, I saved the original factory bolts. Put them in,
Okay.
so we're not going.
Not going too crazy.
Bonita?
Yeah.
She's on Palm Avenue.
What's her name?
Bonita. I don't know what her last name is.
What's the business?
It's oh man, I was there today. I forgot. I was late. They didn't let me in. Bryant's. That's it. Anita Bryant. Wasn't she like? So we got this tightened down with the gasket. We're gonna check the cam. Gotta get it snugged up a little bit. Make sure you get the right. Right. Over here, need a screwdriver.
All you do is remember her last name. That's the name of the business.
Yeah, I got it.
Can't remember anything.
We got the click going on.
Who set me a death trap over here?
Hey, how come you didn't?
Who set me up with a death trap over here? Look at this thing. He's putting this right.
What
where
is that? Is that what came out your ass right there?
Yeah.
Is that why you're walking all funny?
That's
Ken?
it.
God damn.
Fred's using a booby trap.
He wants workers' comp.
Yeah, good luck in getting that around here. Are these screws tight yet?
They're snug.
Bearing, that cam's pretty snug too.
What kind of cam is that? 560?
It's a crane cam. Get the in-play and the backlash and gear
Oh,
teeth.
okay.
I'm pushing them like this. Click, 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 click. That's good. Appears to be a little bit of binding on the cam part of the deal.
You put too big a space on it?
No, it's not that. It's
Oh, you mean on this?
yeah,
Cover?
cover. It's a little snug. You have to push a little bit. There's no cam play there. See, that part of the gear is good. Loose that part.
You put things back where you found
Yeah, this part of the gear is tight. So it's slightly not concentric.
back where it belongs.
Yeah, once you do that right. Okay, where's the other one at? The breather's got clearance.
Yep, that sounds like clearance.
We can probably take out, you know,
Clearance.
10 or so. Okay, Cameron plays a little snug, but it's good for you. You like them that way.
I'm an old man, man. I'm gonna ride at an old man speed.
Yeah, well, the cam is a little bit bindy. See, there's the cam right there. You can tell what it is. See, it says right on it. That's pretty nicely marked from out here. You can see it. I like that. I didn't notice that before. That's good. Yeah. I think I still got some of them left, didn't I?
Don't scratch the paint.
What paint? All right, so the cam's a little snug, but you can live with it. The breather's a little loose. You want to try a washer?
No.
Good. Okay. Where'd my screws go? See, this cam came with good screws and good washers, unlike that other one that we had.
Did I already buy the other ones then?
I can sell you. You want both sets?
No.
Make you a deal.
I don't want to buy the other ones.
Make you a deal. You think I'm losing money now?
Even to,
I'm losing money now, is what you're saying?
That's his favorite line.
I'm losing money.
I'm losing money.
I'm losing money. I'm
That's
losing
just
money on
losing
this
money.
deal. What are you doing to me, man?
Taking all the parts away.
It's hard to lose money you never get.
That's true. Yeah, that's normal around here.
Like, you know, nobody pays.
Yeah, you need to pay to get your bike back, do you? You still haven't tied your shoelace.
Well, I paid in advance.
Well,
for
you
my-
have me over here being Mr. Cameraman.
Fred can do it for you if you blow him a kiss.
That's what you need right now.
I don't know if I can move enough to do that one. Oh.
Drop something.
I didn't need it.
There you go again.
You're gonna bend over and get that. Entertain us. Entertain us by bending over to get it.
He's in a dangerous spot when I get him up.
We want to hear the exit, the moaning and groaning when he bends over to go get it.
Alright.
You gotta put the other part in right now. A little thicker.
Where's the 120?
I got it right here. What did you pull out?
110.
Okay.
That's the one to 120.
120 would be. Top is in the front, right? We check it anyhow, just to make sure. Oh,
What, you mixed up
wait
my
there.
stuff again?
That's 120 right now. It says
Right
120.
here. 110, 15, 20.
No, right there, 120.
Well, we spending money now? Now
Oh,
you're Mr. Big Spender?
Yeah.
You want
Why not?
S&S stuff now?
Well,
You like SNS.
my other bike has an SNS in it.
Yeah, that knife's pretty sharp.
Like, looking sweet,
Get it
man.
down
You know,
now.
I should put that up for sale. I'd probably get a good price in
Give you $50 for it.
there.
Take credit?
Yeah. That sounds like other people talking to you. Man, can I pay you tomorrow for freaking parts today?
Some Popeye and
Yeah, that's it, man. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for some shovelhead today.
That's not Popeye, that's Wimpy.
Buying a burger, man. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday, Tatro, for parts today.
What are we doing now, Fred?
I'm gonna pull the gear off that you shouldn't have put on
Why am I
before
pulling it
because
off?
you forgot a part.
Why am I pulling it off?
Like that.
Why am I pulling it off?
Oh, because you forgot a part.
Fred knows everything again.
You forgot something. Now we're gonna put the oil pump in. No, we're gonna put the cam in.
Fred's getting confused, don't listen to him.
I'm tired. It's only 9 o'clock
What
in the evening.
morning
is
just
that how
started?
late it is?
9 o'clock in the evening, and I got up at
Past your
3
bedtime.
o'clock this morning.
3 o'clock this morning? You,
I went to
you
bed.
got me by an hour because
And
I've
you
been
went-
up since 4.
Yeah, you.
And I went to bed at 5 to 6.
Oh, my bosses gave me this wonderful job that nobody wants. You ever had that one that every time you say, "Hey, I'm doing this," they go, "Oh man,
Yeah, I got your
that
ass.
sucks to be you."
Yeah.
That's my latest job. Sucks to be you, dude. Even the guy that does the job, he's like, man, this sucks. Then I immediately got him annoyed. I got him annoyed with me.
Damn it.
What, you hit your finger too now?
So annoyed he came to see my boss and say, you know, Fred needs to understand how this thing works. I'm like, I know how it works, dude.
I'm gonna send a video to your boss so he can listen to you talk.
No, I'll just say the same thing. I'd say this right in front of him. Everybody knows it. Like, you know, it's like
You
everybody
get to
knows
be
it.
like me.
I'm supposed to get all these people on board and they do electronic signatures. Well, none of them were valid, right? So I got in touch with the people. They're retired. They're gone. They don't exist anymore. Like,
Deceased.
oh, that might be a clue.
Yeah, deceased.
This one lady writes, I've been working for the government for 31 years and I'm done. Don't bother me.
Okay, that's a little snug. So we're gonna drop 5 out of that one, Fred.
So you want 125.
Still
You want
does-
115.
Still has
Back to
drag.
the drawing board.
We still have drag in that gear that we had gear drag before.
115. We got a 115?
Okay, can you live with that drag yet, Fred?
That feels.
It feels what? You didn't even feel it. You know it feels.
Hang on a second. Can I?
No.
You want one thing and then you change,
No,
shift
we're-
gears?
I'm not that far ahead yet.
Ooh, that's a lot of drag, isn't it? It'll be alright. We're good. It'll get broke in.
He takes 2 fingers, I use 1. Okay, so the reason we took it apart was this is out of the picture, so the drag is in the bushing, not in the teeth.
I knew that all the time.
He knew that already. He just didn't want to tell you that secret.
I was going to tell you that.
You were going to tell him, but you didn't.
No. Now we're going to take the nice.
What'd you say? I can't understand you.
We're gonna sound of power, man.
There's the sound.
There. I fixed it. I can get up this high. I can do this one.
We eat so healthy around here.
Probably survives off of his peanuts and chips and
Peanuts. You got peanuts? I got peanut urgeries.
Allergies?
Urgeries.
Urges?
Oh, there goes the chrome.
Hey, don't be scratching my chrome up, man.
Okay, there's your cam. There's your cover.
What's next? Oil pump?
There's your breather.
It seems
That's too big. We need a smaller one.
It seems we're disassembling
That
instead of
seems to be a 120. So
I'll
put that back in a
in.
120.
Did I just say that?
All right, take a rest break. Look at up the oil pump still.
yellow.